Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to overlay on photo on another in photos in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on CapCut app. Okay,
Order food you love with Food Panda. Download the app and order now.
tap on continue to app. Click on new project, choose on image, then add, click on overlay and add overlay, choose another image and add, then add overlay image and export, then save. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.